This is African American History is American History. Republicans have long since cultivated a powerful conditioned response within their party, one rooted in racial anxiety, fear, and resentment. What began as a racial dog whistle has now become a bullhorn, exploited again and again for political gain. The ultimate goal: to win votes and maintain power by uniting a base around fears of immigration, LGBTQ rights, and of course, the teaching of Black history in classrooms, and now even in museums. By throwing this red meat to their base, the far right diverts attention from broader economic issues. High prices for eggs, beef, and cars, for example. Like a magician's sleight of hand, MAGA's racist distractions keep the public from noticing policies quietly passed into law. Policies that overwhelmingly benefit the wealthy at the expense of health care for the poor and middle class. Phrases like states' rights and the urban agenda carry strong racial associations for their intended audience. Demonizing terms such as thug, socialist, illegal alien, woke, and DEI are carefully designed to stoke racial and cultural anxieties in many uninformed Americans. This is African American History is American History. Donald Trump's political slogan, "Make America Great Again," or MAGA, was interpreted by many as a dog whistle, appealing to the nostalgia of a whiter, more segregated past. The extreme right once used coded, racially suggestive comments without being explicitly racist, omitting direct references to avoid accusations. But by the end of 2024, such restraint had completely vanished. Today, MAGA's use of race as a political weapon has become even more creative, often relying on claims of so-called reverse racism. This card is played by white Americans when people of color call out racism, bias, or blatant discrimination. A number of Republican lawmakers now wield it to justify opposition to policies meant to ensure equal access and opportunity for all citizens. In 2020, right-wing opponents turned critical race theory, better known as CRT, into a political flashpoint. Developed in the 1970s and 80s and taught only in law schools, CRT was simply a way to study systemic racism. But Democrats argued the attacks from the extreme right were no accident. They were a deliberate strategy to delegitimize real discussions about inequality by portraying white people as victims, even calling those conversations anti-American. By 2021, after the killings of George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery, and Breonna Taylor, A nationwide push for racial justice ignited. For the extreme right, this sparked a fierce backlash against anything resembling diversity, equity, and inclusion, or DEI. The irony, most MAGA supporters couldn't even define the acronym. Still, they were told to be against it. Any initiative addressing historical inequities was framed as, quote, reverse discrimination against white people, end quote. Plain and simple. And then there is immigration. Though it has long been weaponized, the 2024 presidential campaign saw fear-mongering reach new extremes. Racial and ethnic tensions were inflamed with everything from invasion and replacement theory to outright fabricated claims such as the Haitians are eating the dogs and cats. Let's call it what it was. Lies. This is African American History is American History. For decades, political dog whistles worked in the shadows. Today, the shadows are gone. They're now blaring through bullhorns. Unless we recognize them and call them out for what they are, lies, distractions, and tools of division, they will continue to poison our politics and tear at the very fabric of American democracy. This is manipulation through fear and resentment. And if we want an America that belongs to all of us, silence is no longer an option. This has been African American History is American History. I'm Harlan Kearsley, and on behalf of everyone involved with African American History is American History, thank you for listening. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Once you do, you'll be notified as soon as new episodes are posted. Thanks again, and please stay safe. African American History is American History. Copyright H.C. Kearsley, 2025.